So 22, 23, 24 is here, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 is here, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. 22, the simple interest on X amount invested for 4 years at a rate, certain rate, at a rate a certain is 6,300. So the amount is X, 4 years, at a rate is 6,300. So I can divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 year 1, 4 year 1, 2, 23, 4 day 5, 20, 30, 4 day 7, 28, 2, 4 day 5. So I can say I have 1575 is equal to X R. What is the simple interest on the same amount invested at the same rate? So the rate is 1575 over X. So now we are going to the next one. So the simple interest is what you don't know. The same amount X. The time is 4 months, so 4 out of 12. And the rate is 1575 out of X. X goes of 4 year 1, 4 year 3, 3 year 1, 3 year 5, 3 year 2, 15, 3 year 5. So the amount is 525, option B. Number 23. Evaluate that. So 2 exponent 7 divided by 3. So subtract 3 exponent 4 divided by 3. 10 exponent 5, 4. So that's 2 exponent 4 times 3 times 10 exponent 1. So 2 exponent 4, 4, 4, 16 times 3 is 48 times 10 is 480. Option A. 24. Arrange 28%, that's 28 over 100, 3 out of 5, 0.35, 35 over 100, 2 out of 3. Change it to decimal, 0.28, this is 0.6, this is 0.35, this is 0.66667. So in that case, you are arranging in descending. So this is the highest to third, 3/5. Then we have 0.35. Then we have 28% in that order. So that's option C. 25. 5 red, 4 white, and 6 blue. The ball is chosen either white or blue. So probability is what you have over the total. So either white. White is 4 out of 5 plus 4, 9 plus that is 15. Or blue. Blue is 6 out of 15. That's 10 out of 15. 5 there, 2, 5 there, 3, 2, third. Option B. 26. Because 60 is up. The diagram is there. As such, 60 is here, 7 is here. We're finding BC. So cos is adjacent over this. So 7 out of X is cos 60. And cos 60 is half. So cross multiply, X is 7 to 14. And that's option C. Question number 27. As we simplify the expression, so we can expand 3 times 5p squared is 15p squared. 3 times 2b is 6b minus 2p times 1, 2p times negative 3p is plus 6p minus 6b. So minus 6b plus 6p, and this is 4p, and I have 15p squared plus 4p. Oh, this is 6p squared, so that should be 21p squared minus 2p. And and that's option D. So 28. When a certain number is double, the result is increased by 11. So double is this, the result increased by 11, the answer is 31. 31 minus 11 is 20, x is 10, option A. 5, 4 is, the image of 5, 4 is 7, 1, so 7, 1 minus 5, 4, and that's 2, neg 3 as the translation vector. What's the image of 1, neg 4? We add 2, neg 3 to it, and that will be 3, neg 7, and that's option C. 30, sine theta is 1 over A. So if you draw a diagram, theta is here, sine is this, so x opposite, that's 1 over this. We're looking for this x. Pythagoras theorem, a squared equals 1 squared plus x squared. A squared minus 1 is x squared. So x is square root of a squared minus 1. So it means that if you want tan theta, it is opposite, that is 1 over adjacent root of a squared minus 1. And that's option B. 31. That's your diagram. There is y here, there is 30 here, there is 70 here. You are finding y. I extend this like this. The 70, this and these are parallel. The 70 comes here. And you know, the sum of two interiors is equal to the opposite exterior. So 70 plus 30 is 100 for question number 31. So question number 32. Question number 32. A factory installs a new machine costing 9,000. In its operation after 1 year, the cost depreciates by 15%. Find the value after 1 year. So 100% is the 9,000. The new value is 85%. So 100x is 85 times 9,000. Out of 100, this goes off. So I have 90 times 85, 500, 59, 45, 800, that's 72, that's 7650. Option A for question 32. Question 33, the sequence 1, 4, 9, 16. 2 squared is 4, 1 squared is this, 3 squared is this, 4 squared is this. If you want the pattern, the next is 5 squared, 25, 6 squared, 36. So that's option D. 34. A point A is such that A is equidistant from two fixed points, two fixed intersecting straight lines. That's PQ and QR. Locus of A, once it's two intersecting straight lines, is the angle bisector. So that's the bisector of the angle PQR. Question 34 is B. Question number 35. Two sisters, Mansa and Abigail, went to a shop, purchased some items. Mansa bought 8 boxes of white marker at 25 cedis each. So that would be 8 times 25. 2 of this, half of this is this, double is this. So that's 200 cedis. And Abigail bought 7 grab books at 13 cedis each. That's 13 times 7, 21, 91. Which of the following represent the expression of for the total cost of the items they bought? Yes, so 8 times 25 plus 7 times 13. And that is the option B. 36, 4 exponent x equals 1 over 8. That's 8 exponent negative 1. This is 2 squared. This is 2 cubed. So same basis, so equate the exponent. X is neg 3 out of 2 for question 36. 37. Find how many pieces of fabric 5.5 meters long that can be cut from a roll of 121 meters long. So 121 meters, we are cutting 5.5 meters. So that's 121 divided by 11 out of 2, change to improper. That's 121 times 2 out of 11. 11 here, 1, 11 here, 11, 2, 22. We need 2 pieces, option A. 38 to 40. Number of goals scored by the team. Number of goals is 1. Don't forget that this is number of goals 1. 3 teams scored it. 2 teams, no team scores, so 1 times 3, 3 teams. 2 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1. 4 goals were scored by 2 teams. 5 goals were scored by 4 teams. 6 goals were scored by 3 teams. That's 18, 20, 8, 3, 3. So that's 6, 14 plus 38, and that is 52 goals. Option C. What's the mean of the goals scored? So the sigma fs is 52. Sigma f is the teams 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 plus 10 plus 4 10 plus that is 13. So that's 52 out of sum of the number of the frequency, and that is 4. 13 there is 4. So D, total number of matches played in the league. Okay, so the frequency has to do with the number of matches played. So 3 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 4, 6, 10, 13, 13. That's option A.